channel Kids Cloud.
Please subscribe to this channel Kids Cloud. Types of fraction part 2. Equivalent fractions.
Hello friends. Till now we have learned major types of fractions: proper, improper, and mixed fractions. Additionally, we learn about like and unlike fractions. Today we will talk about the third one in this category, which is an equivalent fraction. So what are these equivalent fractions? Two or more fractions having different numerators and denominators, even though represents the same value or proportion, are referred as equivalent fractions. For example, 1 by 2 is equivalent to 2 by 4. 3 by 8 is equivalent to 9 by 24. 4 by 7 is equivalent to 16 by 28. Now, let's try to understand what is the exact meaning of this statement. When we multiply or divide the numerator or denominator of any fraction with the same number, the value of the original fraction doesn't change. For example, 1/2 is a fraction. Let's multiply numerator 1 and the denominator 2 with the same number 2. It will give us a new fraction 2 by 4. Now let's see how 1 by 2 and 2 by 4 are equivalent. Here is a pictorial representation. The first one representing a fraction 1/2, while the second one represents a fraction 2 by 4 for the colored region. The numbers in both the fractions representing numerator and denominator are different. Look at the colored area. What do you think? Doesn't it look the same? Yes. Though the fractions appear different, the area both represent is the same. As you can see, 1 out of 2 is equivalent to 2 out of 4. Hence, 1/2 and 2 by 4 are equivalent fractions. Similarly, 1 by 2 and 5 by 10 are equivalent fractions. When we multiply the numerator and the denominator of 1 by 2 with the number 5, we get the fraction 5 by 10. For better understanding, here is a pictorial representation of these equivalent fractions. As in the previous example, both of these are expressed with different numbers but represent the same area. Here, 1 out of 2 is equal to 5 out of 10. Hence, 1 by 2 is equivalent to 5 by 10. Let's elaborate how these equivalent fractions are same. Equivalent fractions can be visualized well in the following example. Let's explain this with the help of 4 equal rectangles A, B, C and D. A has divided into 2 equal portions. Out of 2, one portion is blue. In A, fraction colored in blue is 1 by 2. In B, out of 4 equal parts, 2 are blue. Hence, blue colored fraction in B is 2 by 4. Likewise, a blue portion in C is 3 by 6 and 4 by 8 in rectangle D. In all these rectangles, though the fractions we are talking about are different, a blue color area in all are identical. These are all equivalent fractions. Here is another way to explain this. In A, 1 by 2 fraction is colored in blue. Let's multiply this fraction by 2. When we are talking about the equivalent fractions, we need to multiply both the numerator and the denominator with the same number. So the fraction 1 by 2 changes to 2 by 4. Further, if you multiply the same fraction with 3, a new equivalent fraction will be 3 by 6. In a similar way, if you multiply with 4, 1 by 2 changes to its equivalent fraction 4 by 8. This indicates by multiplying with the same number to numerator and the denominator in any fraction, we are not changing its value, though fractions appear different. Similarly, by dividing the numerator and the denominator of a fraction with the same number doesn't change its value. We can explain this with similar pictorial representation. A fraction of the yellow colored area in this rectangle is 8 by 16. To simplify it, if we divide the numerator and the denominator with number 8, it will reduce to 1 by 2. Again, the yellow colored area doesn't change, though fractions appear different. Hence, 8 by 16 is an equivalent fraction of 1 by 2. So kids, here is a task for you. Can you write 3 equivalent fractions for each of the following? Find out the pairs of equivalent fractions in the following.
Thanks for watching this video. For more videos, please subscribe to this channel.